What's up, you guys? It's your girl Brooklyn, aka Gorgeous Standards, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Today we have a SHEIN haul with nail supplies. Y'all, I did not know SHEIN had nail supplies until I saw this girl. She unboxed her package of nail supplies from SHEIN, and I was like, well, let me go see what they got. So I checked it out, and I got a bunch of stuff. And I didn't spend over $25 for this stuff, so I'm just going to link everything in the description. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna get right into it. First thing I have are these Snakeskin nail foils, and I did purchase these on SHEIN, but the nail foil glue was purchased from Amazon, and I'll leave a description. These are the nail glass paper, and what you do is you put it on and you encapsulate it, and it looks like it's glassing your nails. Here is the wax pencil that I got. I'm going to test it out a little bit later. Okay. The next thing I have is the nail ring, so that you can put your nail color palettes on there, and your acrylic colors, your foil designs, anything you want to display. And here are some more foils. I have a lot more foils here, and I'm gonna show you the rest of them later on in the video. Okay, here are some rhinestones that I purchased from SHEIN. On the left are hearts, and on the right are some oval diamond rhinestones, and I really like them because they're colorful. Here are some more nail foils. These are very graphic, and I think they are newspaper foils. They look like newspaper, and that's why I ordered them. I really like the details in them as well. These are the butterfly sequins that I also brought from SHEIN. They are hollow graphic, so they have like shimmer to them. They're not like solid colors. And these are the blue jelly rhinestones that I purchased as well. I like them. They're so pretty, and they make me want to do a baby gender reveal type nails because they're just like that kind of blue. Here are some more nail foils. The flower design is very unique, and I like them because I know I never been able to draw a flower on the nail. I just could not, so I just ordered these foils to just replace that. Here we have some butterfly decals, stickers. I think it's like 6 sheets, and they were very cheap. This is the little tool that you use. I guess it's a recycling system, that's what it's called. Is when you use glitter on your nails, you want to dump it on your nail and it falls into the tray in it, and you can save that glitter that fell for later. And I think this is very useful because glitter is kind of costly, and I think this is a very good invention, and I think everybody should get it because who don't need it? Like, I could use this for powder as well, like if you want to do dip powder nails or whatever. But yeah, definitely will use this with my glitter. Here are the Sequin Hearts, and they're different colors, and they're also hollow like the butterflies were. These are the Iridescent gummy bears. They're not gummy, but I said gummy. They're bears. They're just like hard rhinestone bears, and they're tiny so that they fit on the nail perfect, and they won't be like big and bulky. But I like the big ones too. I don't think I've seen the big ones, but I'll check again. But these are small. In this video right here, I'm just going to test out the nail foils and see how they transfer onto the nail display, and at first I had some trouble, but you know, I was just testing it out. I didn't really use any top coat to, you know, make it look better, but here's me putting these on because they don't come on the ring already. You have to put them on yourself, so just stay tuned for that. I got this transfer glue from Amazon. This is the Beetles brand. I don't know what makes a good nail foil glue, so I'm just gonna test it out for y'all, and y'all can just, you know, determine that way, because I've never brought transfer foil glue before. So I cured it. I don't even know if you're supposed to cure it. It said UV LED on there, so I just was like, okay, well maybe it needs a lamp. So I did it, and I tried the foil out, and this is what the first foil, it was so pretty. This is what it looks like after I put it on. And just for the sake of it, I decided to test out another foil just to give it a, you know, good test run for you guys. For some reason, the foil didn't transfer completely. As you can see, there are holes and gaps of where the foil wasn't able to adhere to the nail glue, the transfer glue. So maybe I should have went over with another layer of glue. I don't know. Now I'm going to test out this wax pencil. I apologize for the camera quality. My camera did not focus on what I was doing, so it made the background kind of bright, but the pencil picked up the gems perfectly. And then I did try and pick up some sequins with the wax pencil, and I succeeded. And then I also tried to pick up the bears with the pencil, and it worked as well. So this was a very good investment. Here are the butterfly decals, and I was right. It came with 6 sheets of beautiful butterflies. The next few clips are going to be of me showing you guys how the sequins and nail art look outside of its packaging. I forgot to mention these earlier, and I forgot what they were called, but oh, they're flakes. They're flakes. So these are the gold, rose gold, and silver flakes. I was surprised to see these on the website because usually people sell these in like 1 ounce containers for a lot. Like on Amazon, I've seen like I seen like multiple 1 ounce containers, but it was $10. It was $9.99 for like a pack of 9 containers. Like, that's too much. So SHEIN really came in clutch with that. Now y'all can enjoy these next few clips of me showing y'all how these foils look outside of its packaging. That's it for this haul. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Peace.